Greetings everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we'll dive into the world of website analytics and explore how to use Wix Analytics to gain valuable insights into your website's performance. Understanding your site's data can help you make informed decisions to improve your online presence. But before we jump right into it, if you are new here or haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time to hit that subscribe button below and do not forget to ring the notification bell so you'd never miss out on our latest contents. And to our returning viewers and subscribers, welcome back. You are the heart and soul of our channel, and I'm grateful for your continued support. But before we use the Wix Analytics, you might as well as go to the web browser of your choice. I'm using Google Chrome right now, but Wix.com is compatible to any type of browsers, be it Brave, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, and Safari. So if you don't have an account yet, please sign up. It's fast and easy. And once you've created your account successfully, log in with your credentials. All right. And once you log into your credentials, you're gonna go to your main dashboard, right in the left part of the interface, where you can see you click on the analytics and reports. All right. So we have a lot of information here. So why not? Because I don't have a live site yet, so obviously I can't see anything. You cannot see any information here. But what about this one, real time? Right. So here you can see the real time analytics. The number of visitors. In the last 30 minutes and whatnot. And then when you hover to your sales overview, that's the sales by traffic source, the top paying customers, the top selling items you um have been generating income if you have a live store. And if you go here for the marketing overview, it will also track, analyze, and optimize the performance of all your marketing activities. You can actually put a duration date here. Okay. You can also create an email campaign here. All right. Okay. You can always go and switch back to Google. We can also toggle into the behavior overview. And then here you can click here to learn how to boost your traffic, but we will go there for a different video, for a different tutorial. Now we go to the report. All right. So these are the sales, the traffic, the stores, the bookings, the marketing, and the SEO and the behavior of all your stores and shops, right? And the people, accounting, all of that. When we go here to the insights, it will give you a different um uh interface here. So we're not going to dive into that with the benchmarks and the site speed. You know, it'll take time, but these are really comprehensive analytics for you to check. You know, they also have the site speed. Okay, because Wix Analytics provides you with the valuable data and insights about your website's total performance, and it will allow you to understand your audience by providing data on the demographics, location, and behavior. And this information is crucial for tailoring your content and marketing efforts with the target audience, obviously, right? So for example, if you run marketing campaigns, say here, you know, so say if you run marketing campaigns, Wix Analytics lets you monitor their performance. You can track metrics like click-through rates, conversion rates, and the success of email campaigns and social media ads, like here, right? You have it here. You can set specific goals and track conversions using Wix Analytics. For example, you can track form submissions, signups, or purchases, and it will help you measure the effectiveness of your website in achieving your objectives, right? And most importantly, Wix Analytics provides data related to your website's search engine optimization, which is SEO. You can track keyword performance, monitor your site's SEO rankings, and identify opportunities for SEO improvement, right? And regularly using Wix Analytics allows you to implement a cycle of continuous improvement. You can make data driven adjustments to your website content and marketing strategies, ensuring that your site remains competitive and successful. And Wix Analytics, in summary, empowers website owners and managers to harness the power of data to improve their websites, make better decisions, and achieve their online goals. And I believe that's a wrap for today's video. If you find this one helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe for more tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in the future videos, please leave it a comment below. I read all of them. Thank you all for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.